everyone and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you a happy and healthy new year. And secondly, I have a cold, so if I sound any different in some parts of the video, that's why. Anyway, in this video I am showing you what's inside this December Scrawlr box. I know it's not January, but the delivery was slightly delayed this time. Okay, let's have a look what's inside this box. So we've got the magazine, artwork from Marta Bedlaj, or Bedlaj, not sure how you pronounce this. She's from Poland. Let's have a look in the magazine. Okay, art crayon is in there, so let's have a look at this. So we've got a sticker for my sticker collection. A pencil, it's from Faber-Castell, a gold Faber, and it's a very soft one, a very dark one, 6B. Then we have a brush, Royal, what's this? Royal and Langnickel Taklon brush, number 6. And then we've got these pens. Art crayon, mixed media, and this was made in Germany. Marabu is the company. So we've got one in yellow, one in, I guess this is magenta, and purple. To see how these work. They are well, crayons, so I guess they've got wax in them. Let's have a look. Oh, this is so small. I can't barely read this. Oh. It says, yeah, it's wax-based soft pastels. We'll test them in a minute. Just show you what's in here first. This is another eraser from Derwent, kneadable. It's always handy to have. And watercolor paper in size A5, which is always handy to have for quick drawings or, well, paintings really. And it's got 12 sheets, 300 GSM, 140 lbs. So, and it's smooth, okay, so that's perfect for pencils. I will test these in more detail and show you what I will make. I'm not sure what the challenge is yet. And this month there is no sweet. Normally they always pack a sweet in the box, but they had a problem with delivery this month, so there is none in the box. Okay, I will get swatching in the next scene. These Marabu art crayons are wax-based pastels, water-soluble and light-fast and quite versatile. They are also wipe resistant after 24 hours. The recommended retail price for each crayon is £6.99. This Faber-Castell Gold Faber Pencil 6B is a very soft pencil with a break-resistant lead, and it is quality made in Germany. I like Faber's products a lot. This one has a recommended retail price of 70p. The retail price for this Derwent kneadable eraser is £2.49. This Royal & Langnickel Taklon brush costs £1.29. This Derwent Watercolor Pad is an A5 size. It has smooth and thick paper and the paper weighs 300 GSM. The pad has 12 sheets and the retail price is £7.29. The total value of this box comes to £32.74. As you can see, the pencil does its job. As it's a 6B, it's very soft. The eraser picks up the lead, but like most of these types of erasers, it won't erase completely. The Marabou crayons are very soft. Here I am trying a few things with them, using them with water, mixing paints and shaving them to a sharp point. Because they are so soft, sharpening isn't so easy. They work really well with water. I'm using a cold-pressed watercolor sketchbook by Jackson's Art here. I saved the Derwent pad for the challenge. I totally forgot to show you the brush. I will use it for the challenge. The challenge for this month was to create expressive expressions. So here are my paintings. The first one had to be a cat. This was fun to paint. I used one of my own brushes as it is a bit bigger, and the brush that came with the box. I also used this Faber-Castell Pit pen, which is waterproof, and this Kurtake Fude twin tip brush pen. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that it was not waterproof, which meant it bled slightly into the eyes. For this painting I used a Sharpie for outlining and some details, and the Faber-Castell pen. I waited for the painting to dry before adding the details for eyes and mouth. And here's my final painting. Somehow the black paint still managed to bleed into the yellow. I really enjoyed these supplies. I wouldn't normally paint with crayons. These crayons are very nice to use. I would have loved a blue and a red crayon to have more variety and for color mixing. I will probably use these crayons for my bullet journal to give it a bit more color. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, happy painting, until next time!